All right, I'm under the 2007 E350 today. I had to take the front bumper under tray off because I was doing oil and fluids and stuff. And I'm gonna replace this bulb in here that always goes out. I replace it and it lasts, I don't know, 6 months or something. So I think water's getting in there. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it, and then I'm gonna try to clean the contacts and maybe put some silicone around it to see how much longer it lasts. All right. Let's see here. That one's missing. And then there's a couple up front near the wheel well here. Let's see. Here's that other one in the wheel well right there. So you got one of those on each side, then I think like 4 or so underneath. There we go. All right, so once you get the under tray off, here's the passenger side. You can go underneath here and it's right there. You just twist it counterclockwise and pull out the bulb. It's super easy. I'll put you down and see if I can capture it for you. Super tight quarters in here. I don't know how much you're gonna see, but there we go. I basically just, it was in like, let's see, it was in like this, twist counterclockwise, pull it out. And then you can bring it down closer to you. Oh, look at all this water coming out. Yep. Okay, found the culprit. All right, I sprayed some of this WD-40 contact cleaner in here. Water's definitely getting in here. When I don't know if you saw, but when I pulled this down, water was dripping out. So it's either coming in from the bumper and coming up here, or it's coming from this side. So I think what I'm gonna do is clean it up, put a new bulb in, put some silicone around here in case it is coming from this side. And then on the outside of the bumper where the lens is, maybe I'll put a little bit of silicone on the top or around the whole thing. I don't know. We'll see. This is kind of a last-ditch effort. I don't want to keep messing with it, and it's not that big a deal. I'd probably replace this, but I don't think that's the source of the water. It's just, it does work when I replace the bulb. I don't know if it will this time, but we'll see. All right. All right. I think I'll go turn the car on and at least just make sure it works. All right, you guys tell me, is it working? Let me look under here. All right, it's on. Cool. All right, let's get this thing back in there. You're not going to be able to see much here, but it's real tight. What a pain in the ass. All right. That's good. I did not do the silicone. Let's see. Do that now. This is going to be messy, but I just figure it's better than nothing.